Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got another update from the SWLING website where Stephen is reporting some more issues, or some issues that still remain, on the new Sangean ATS-909X2. So this is a great website. They got new articles every day, and if you don't subscribe, you should subscribe. And you come down here, here's the new radio, and then he talks about, I'm gonna let you read this yourself, go to their website, I'll put a link to this page, but down here on the bottom it says, I really hope that only my particular unit is affected by these issues. And like I say, you can read the issues. But this is the second programmatic device here. Might be I should buy from Sangean America. I simply can't understand why a radio is not verified before shipping, and then he goes on. So I am really holding off on the Sangean radio until these problems get ironed out, if they do indeed get ironed out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Again, I will put the link to this article down in the first comment under this show. Have a great day. Bye-bye.